Hi, in this lecture we will discuss a different kind of operations on a paid RDD. What kind of operations we can perform on a paid RDD. I have created one Scala Spark program. I created a main. I have created Spark session. Okay, Spark session builder, local. So here local master local and ER2 will be there. So currently we are not working in a cluster. So I have mentioned as local app name, whatever name you can mention. So I'm taking one sample RDD array. I'm taking some key value pairs, pair RDD. Okay, key value. So each RDD having number of key value pairs A, B, C, D. Again, two times each element, two times we have. We'll perform some kind of operations on pair RDD. First we'll see how to in pair RD I want to find out maximum minimum values in a pair RDD. So I'm cre how to do that. Well, max equal to RDD dot map of x such that x dot first element key value again x dot underscore 2 dot max dot once this is done I am printing collect dot for each of println. Okay, I'm trying to execute. So some error is there. Okay, to avoid that we have I will try to before applying aggregate operations I will apply a group by key val grp equal to rdd dot group by key. Okay, then grp. Okay, now it is gone. Just I'm commenting that if we print no if we execute it will print a maximum, which is a maximum key value pair RDD. So in B I have two pairs B 2001 200. So which one is maximum 2000? So 2000 came. A we have 1000 5000. So 5000. C we have 10,000 3000. So D we have 7999. So it came. So in the similar way we can perform minimum also. Println printing minimum val min equal to grp dot map of same as it is, you can copy paste. Instead of max, we can do minimum. We can mention minimum. So min dot for each of min dot collect for each of println. Okay. So these are all the info messages. Okay. So to avoid that, if you want to see only output, you can mention this. You can copy paste. You can import that logger. Okay. If you import logger now, then if you execute, you can see that all info messages. See, printing minimum. So in B, minimum 200, C 3000, like that. Okay, minimum, maximum we have printed. Next requirement, display in sorted order of values, sorted order of values. Suppose 10, 20, 30, like that. How to do that? So minimum we have done. So anyhow, we have minimum already, right? That val sorted equal to min dot sort by x such that x, no need of bracket, x dot 1, that is tuple, right? So dot 1 means based on based first element. Underscore 1 means based on key. I want to display the elements in the sorted order. Dot dot collect collect dot for each of println. Okay, we'll see. Now see here, we'll give some separate with some. See after so it is arranged based on sorted values A, B, C, D. Okay, it is sorted. Now, now we now we'll do sum of sum of elements of pair RDD. val sum equal to RDD or GRP dot map of x such that x first element comma key value underscore 2 dot sum we have to give, that's it, to add all. Then collect dot for each of println. Okay, what I am doing here, I am traversing to each element. First underscore 1 means key, underscore 2 means value. So I want sum of that value, so dot sum. Okay, next operation, average. Next operation average, same will do average. X sum average means total by that size, total by a how many elements are there, that size of that RDD by x dot hyphen 2 dot size. Okay, so syntax error. So println average, okay. So average, B average is 1100, B 2000 plus 2000 plus 200, how much? 2200 by 2, right? So 1100, like that average it came. Before average, total sum, sum is total sum. So here it is doing sum of here in this step. Total 2000 plus 200, 2200, like that sum it is. So sum of elements of pair RDD. In this way, we can perform different kind of operations on pair RDD. Okay. So what we have done, we have created one program, we have declared one RDD, we have created one RDD. So we have applied group by key and max, min. Okay, in sorted order we have displayed, and we have yeah, we have performed sum on a pair RDD and average. So this kind of all operations we can perform on pair RDD. Okay, thanks for watching.